My name is Walter, and I'm a client of Jeff Gaisley, who's been helping me with my ADD. A number of years ago, my primary physician suggested that I consider looking into being tested for ADD. This doctor knows me quite well, and because of some symptoms that I was having, suggested, like I said, that I did look into it. I went home that same afternoon and spoke with my wife, who coincidentally said that she was having many of the same thoughts. I did some research online and got some of the ADD tests and saw that perhaps some of the symptoms that I was having did parallel ADD. I then came to Jeff Gaisley, who did some more tests on me, and believe I was diagnosed with 3, 4, maybe 5 types of ADD. I kind of continued doing some research online, reading some books, finding out that many of the symptoms that I had were related to ADD, going all the way back to my childhood. I'm not sure of the exact sequence of things, but I know at one point my wife and I thought that perhaps we would try dealing with the symptoms through diet. I went to an environmentalist doctor who narrowed down many of my food allergies, and for 6 months I went on a very strict diet, avoiding the foods that had allergy effects. I did notice some improvement, but not the type of improvement that I was hoping for. I also tried brain training, which is an electronic type noise thing that this doctor, he's actually not a doctor, but they have a clinic that claims that they can cure and improve ADD symptoms. I had probably over 6 months, probably around a year's worth of training, a lot of sessions, and again I did notice some improvement, but not exactly what I was hoping for. Also, somewhere in the series of all these things, I did try Adderall, and the only thing that Adderall did for me was basically make me grind my teeth. There was a little pregnant pause from being coming into sessions with Jeff while I was doing the brain training and the diet thing, and then through the doctor that originally put me on the path of ADD told me about Jeff's ADD AdCare, or AdCare, the ADD care, and I had another session with him. He gave me some to try, and probably within 30 minutes of taking the first dose, I noticed the change that I was looking for. I felt calmer on the inside. I felt more focused. The symptoms weren't as predominant in my life as they were before. I had thoughts of suicide, depression, and other type of symptoms that are common for people with ADD, and they have been minimized greatly. I was also trying to say that after taking the first dose, you know, it happened right away. It's something that I knew is what I was looking for. So I'm a great advocate of ADD care, and if any of you are thinking that you're having symptoms of ADD, I would very highly suggest it as an alternative method of dealing with it outside of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're interested in trying this homeopathic supplement, I would suggest going to add-care.com. I recommend it highly.